Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you dances on TikTok. So at first you need to have a TikTok account and you need to download the TikTok app. So after doing that, just go to the TikTok app. Here you can see in the bottom plus icon, just click on it. So after clicking it, here you can see a big red button and here you can see also a time duration. Just swiping the time duration, it can change your limit of the video. If you're dancing for long, just make it 10 minutes, 3 minutes or maybe 1 minute. You can also see a top right flip option. Just clicking on it, it will change your camera. Under that you can see 1x speed. Just clicking on it and you can also dance faster by this or slower. So after you hit the red button, you need to start dancing. So guys, this is how can you dance on TikTok. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.